OnePlus fans may finally get the changes they were hoping for, as new leaks suggest the OnePlus 16 could fix one of the biggest complaints surrounding the OnePlus 15. While it is still very early and the phone is not expected to launch until late 2026, fresh information points toward a major camera upgrade that could make a real difference. Early rumors around the OnePlus 16 were not very encouraging. Some reports suggested that OnePlus might continue or even double down on some of the questionable decisions made with the OnePlus 15. That worried long-time users who felt the brand had taken a small step backward, especially in the camera department. Now, a new leak paints a more positive picture and hints that OnePlus may be listening to feedback. According to a well-known leaker, Digital Chat Station, the OnePlus 16 could feature a powerful 200-megapixel camera sensor. This is a big deal because OnePlus has not used such a high-resolution sensor in its flagship phones before. The leak claims that the OnePlus 16 will use the same 200MP camera sensor as the upcoming Oppo Find N6. This connection is not surprising, since OnePlus and Oppo often share hardware and technology across their flagship devices. We have seen this kind of sharing before. The Oppo Find N5 and the OnePlus 15 use the same 50MP Sony sensor for the main camera and the same 50MP Samsung sensor for the telephoto camera. Because of this history, it makes sense that the OnePlus 16 and Oppo Find N6 would again share camera hardware, including this new 200MP sensor. This potential upgrade is important because one of the biggest criticisms of the OnePlus 15 was its camera setup. Many fans were disappointed to see that the OnePlus 15 used smaller camera sensors than the OnePlus 13. While the overall camera performance was still decent and not as bad as some feared, it felt like a downgrade on paper. For a brand that once focused heavily on flagship-level hardware, that decision left some users feeling let down. Adding a 200MP sensor could be OnePlus's way of correcting course. However, it is worth noting how this sensor might be used. Samsung, for example, uses its high-resolution 200MP sensor as the main camera in the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Many other manufacturers take a different approach. Brands like Honor, Xiaomi, and Vivo often place these high-resolution sensors in the telephoto camera instead of the main one. Leaks suggest that OnePlus may follow this trend. Rather than using the 200MP sensor as the primary camera, the OnePlus 16 could feature it as a telephoto camera. This would improve zoom quality, detail, and flexibility when taking photos from a distance. Phones like the Honor Magic Pro, Xiaomi 17 Ultra, and Vivo X300 Pro already use this strategy, and it has proven effective for delivering strong zoom performance. If this information is accurate, the OnePlus 16 would launch with a camera setup that feels more competitive with other top-tier flagships. The expected release window for the device is around October 2026, which still gives OnePlus plenty of time to refine the hardware and software experience. That said, not everyone is impressed by the industry's renewed obsession with megapixel counts. Higher numbers look great in marketing, but they do not always translate to better photos. Sensor size, pixel quality, image processing, and lens design often matter much more than sheer resolution. From that point of view, a larger sensor with fewer megapixels can sometimes produce better images, especially in low light. Bigger pixels can capture more light, resulting in cleaner photos with better dynamic range. While a 200MP sensor can be useful, especially for zoom and cropping, it is not automatically a guarantee of better photography. Still, perception matters, and many buyers compare phones based on spec sheets. Adding a 200MP camera to the OnePlus 16 could help the brand stay competitive and reassure fans that OnePlus is serious about improving its camera system again. For now, all of this remains based on leaks and early information. Plans can change, and final hardware decisions are still far away. But if these rumors turn out to be true, the OnePlus 16 could mark an important step forward and address one of the biggest complaints fans had with the OnePlus 15.